Hello students, welcome to OMSAR's Academy. Today we are going to learn class 9 Maths chapter 2 Polynomials part 10 solution of textbook exercise 2.4. Hello students, welcome to OMSAR's Academy. Now we are going to discuss exercise 2.4 of your textbook. So let us start exercise 2.4 textbook page number 43. Now friends, what is the first question in 2.4? Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as factor. So you have to determine which polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. So friends, let's start. First one is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is a cubic polynomial and we have to determine that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial or not. So let us assume that if x plus 1 is a factor, so if x plus 1 is a factor, then what would be the 0 of a polynomial? X plus 1 equals to 0, therefore x equals to minus 1. So therefore minus 1 should be 0 of polynomial. यदि x प्लस 1 फैक्टर है तो 0 ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल क्या होना चाहिए? -1 होना चाहिए. अभी इसके अंदर यदि ये पॉलिनोमियल p ऑफ x है, उसके अंदर मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करता हूँ. इफ आई सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ -1 इन दिस वेरिएबल x and if I get answer 0, then we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. If I don't get answer 0, then it is not a factor of a polynomial. So let us do this. P of -1 equals to -1 cube plus -1 square plus -1 plus 1. So it will be -1 cube will be -1 only, -1 square will be -1 into -1, it will be +1 plus -1 plus 1. So it will be -1 plus 1 plus into -1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Answer is what? 0. So if I substitute this value of a 0 of a polynomial as -1 in the place of this variable x, so I get the answer 0. That means x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So therefore x plus 1 is factor of polynomial. Which polynomial? P of x equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Similarly friends, we have to do the another one, that is x4. What is P of x? P of x is equal to x4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. In this case, if I substitute -1 in place of x, सब में एक ही करना है. x plus 1 फैक्टर है कि नहीं वो सब में चेक करना है. Polynomials are changing. First polynomial was another one different, second is different, third will be different, fourth will be different. So polynomials are different, only we have to verify in each case is x plus 1 a factor or not. So in each case we have to put the same value as a 0 of a polynomial, that is -1. So substitute here also -1 and check whether you are getting answer 0 or not. So -1 raised to 4 will be what? Plus 1, because power is even, so minus will become plus, minus into minus into minus into minus, it will become plus. Plus -1 cube will be -1 as power is odd. Here -1 square, 2 times if we multiply -1, it will become plus because power is even again, plus -1 plus 1. So it will be 1 plus into minus is -1 plus 1 plus into minus is -1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, remaining is what? Plus 1. So answer is 1. So which is not equal to 0. So therefore we can say that x plus 1 is not a factor of above polynomial. Is it clear, friends? Now we move to the third sum. In the same question, third polynomial is given. Right? What is the third polynomial? P of x equals to x4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So if I substitute the same value in this, what will I get? Minus 1 raised to 4, 3 into minus 1 raised to cube plus 3 into minus 1 raised to square plus minus 1 plus 1. Instead of x I have substituted the value of minus 1. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Minus 1 raised to 4 is what? 1 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to cube is what? Minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to power square, that is plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. तो ये क्या होगा? 1 plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3 plus 3 ones are 3 plus into minus is minus 1 and plus 1. So यहाँ पे plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Again the remainder we are getting is as 1 plus 1. So here again 1 is not equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of above polynomial. Is it clear, friends? And fourth polynomial, that is p of x equals to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. So if I substitute here also minus 1, what will I get? Minus 1 x cube, instead of x cube I will get minus 1 raised to power cube minus minus 1 raised to power square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 plus root 2. Is it clear? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 1 का क्यूब, दैट इज व्हाट? माइनस 1 ओनली, माइनस माइनस 1 स्क्वायर, माइनस 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1 minus, now in this case what it will be? Minus 1 is multiplied with this bracket. I am not opening this bracket. Without opening this bracket I am multiplying this minus 1 with this 2. Okay, so minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2 and minus 1 into plus, minus into plus will be what? Minus into plus will be minus, 1 into root 2 will be root 2. So I have multiplied minus 1 with this before opening the bracket, and then in the next step I will open this bracket. Why? Because there is minus sign, so inside all the signs will get changed when I open the bracket. So plus root 2 will remain as it is. Now third step, minus 1, this will be minus 1 again, minus, now I will open the bracket, so minus into minus will become plus, so this minus 2 will become plus 2, then minus into minus will become plus root 2. This I have opened the bracket, so while opening this bracket, see both the signs are changed. Minus 2 became plus 2 and minus root 2 became plus root 2. Why? Because before this bracket there was a minus sign. So whenever there is a minus sign before this bracket, if I open this bracket, so inside both the signs will get changed, and if there is plus sign, so inside sign will remain as it is. Then what is the last term remaining? Plus root 2. Now in this case, minus 1 is what? This minus 1 and minus 1 will be what? Minus 2 plus 2, then plus root 2 plus root 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled. What is root 2 plus root 2? This is 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So answer is what? 2 root 2, which is again not equal to 0. These are two like term. दोनों root 2 है, तो root 2 can be added. You cannot add root 2 plus root 3 because they are unlike. But you can add 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2 will become what? 2 root 2, which is again not equal to 0. So therefore, what we will say, x plus 1 is not a factor. X plus 1 is not a factor of above polynomial. So hope this question first is clear. Now we move to the next question, friends. Question number 2. of exercise 2.4. Question 2 says, use the factor theorem. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x, that is the divisor, is a factor of polynomial p of x, that is dividend, in each of the following cases. Again the same thing we have to do. In first case, what is given? Page number 44. Move to the next page. Page 44. First case, p of x is what? 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. This is my p of x. And what is my g of x? G of x is what? x plus 1. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? फैक्टर थ्योरम यूज करके डिटरमाइन करना है. तो व्हाट डज द फैक्टर थ्योरम से? If this is a factor, then what is the zero of a polynomial? What will be the zero of a polynomial? P of x plus 1 is a factor. Then p of minus 1 should be 0. So if I substitute the value of 0 of a polynomial, will be what? X will be minus 1. So in this case, minus 1 will be the zero of a polynomial, and if I substitute minus 1 in this place, what answer I will get? So 2 into minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1 plus minus 1 square is what? Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus minus will become plus. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. Now this will be minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1. So this plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled, and minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. So what is remainder? 0 is the remainder. So if we find from this g of x, we found out 0 of a polynomial. So minus 1 was 0, will be the 0 of a polynomial. Will be the 0 of polynomial. Okay. And if we substitute this minus 1 in place of x, if we get the remainder 0, then we say that this is a factor of this. So therefore here g of x, that is x plus 1, is factor of p of x. What was my polynomial? P of x, that is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Is it clear? Similarly, we do the next sum. Here p of x and g of x will be changing in each case. Second sum में क्या हो रहा है? p of x जो है वो मेरा है x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, और g of x जो है सेकेंड केस में क्या है? x plus 2. तो फ्रेंड्स, now you can guess x plus 2 से 0 of a polynomial क्या होगा? Let x plus 2 equals to 0. तो x equals to क्या होगा? minus 2. जब 2 उस तरफ जाएगा तो x equals to minus 2 हो जाएगा. So minus 2 will be 0 of polynomial. ये 0 of polynomial की वैल्यू हम इसके अंदर सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो क्या होगा? minus 2 क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 1. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 8 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस 4 प्लस 3 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 1. तो माइनस 8 रहेगा प्लस 3 4 जार क्या हो जाएगा? 12 रहेगा प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 3 2 जार क्या होगा? 6 प्लस 1. तो यहाँ पे 12 प्लस 1 क्या हो जाएगा? आपका 30. And minus 8 minus 6 will be minus 14. So remainder will be minus 1, which is not equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर आया वो आपका माइनस 13 माइनस 14 क्या होगा? माइनस 1 रहेगा, जो कि 0 से इक्वल नहीं है. तो therefore g of x is not a factor of p of x. So here g of x ये जो मेरा था x plus 2, ये फैक्टर नहीं है. कौन से पॉलिनोमियल का? x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1. So hope this is clear, friends. Now move to the third sum. थर्ड सम में p ऑफ x मेरा जो है वो क्या है, एक्स क्यूब माइनस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 6 एंड g ऑफ x है वो x माइनस 3. g of x is x minus 3. So from this we can get the zero of a polynomial. So let x minus 3 equals to 0. तो माइनस 3 उस तरफ जाएगा तो x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी 3, तो प्लस 3 हो जाएगा, तो 3 विल बी zero of polynomial, right? So if I substitute 3 in this case, तो क्या हो जाएगा 3 क्यूब माइनस 4 into 3 स्क्वायर plus 3 plus 6. So that will be 3 cube is 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 minus 4 into 3 3s are 9 plus 3 plus 6. So that will be what? 27 minus 4 9s are 36 plus 3 plus 6. So 27 plus 3 plus 6. 27 plus 3 is what? 30. 30 plus 6 is what? 36. So addition of these three numbers will be 36. And minus 36. So 36 minus 36 is what? 0. So friends, here again we got 0. That means here, is it a factor or not? Yes. So x plus 3, that is g of x, is a factor of p of x. Understood friends? So with this we learned how to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x or not. If you get the answer 0, then it is a factor, and if you don't get the answer 0, then it is not a factor. Okay friends? So now we move to question number 3. Let us do question number 3. What does the question number 3 says? Question number 3 says, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Now friends, here in each of these cases, first case is p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. Now in this case, first case, see, let us understand the question first. What is given? Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k, constant k, if x minus 1 is a factor. This is already given that x minus 1 is a factor of each of these polynomial cases. Okay, so in each of these cases x minus 1 is a factor, then what will be the zero of a polynomial? x minus 1 फैक्टर है तो x minus 1 equals to 0 करो तो x equals to ये minus 1 उस तरफ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा +1. So therefore 1 will be zero of polynomial in each of these cases. हर एक केसेस में जो है ये zero of a polynomial क्या रहेगा 1. तो यदि मैं इसके अंदर 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करूं तो आंसर रिमाइंडर मेरा क्या आना चाहिए 0. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज गिवन कि x माइनस 1 फैक्टर है, मतलब यदि मैं इसका जो 0 है वो ढूंढ के इसके अंदर डालता हूं वैल्यू, तो व्हाट आई विल गेट इज आंसर रिमाइंडर मेरा 0 होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? तो पहले में इफ आई सब्स्टिट्यूट p ऑफ 1 तो 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस k इक्वल्स टू 0 हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट इज 1 स्क्वायर? 1 प्लस 1 plus k equals to 0. What is 1 plus 1? 2 plus k equals to 0. If I move this 2 to the right side, so k will be what? Minus 2. So in the first case, what is the value of k? K's value is what? Minus 2. Is it clear? Now in second case में p of x equals to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So in this also x minus 1 is factor, this is given, and what we will take, 1 will be the zero of a polynomial. If we substitute 1, what remainder we should get is 0. तो इसमें भी यदि मैं p ऑफ 1 डालूंगा तो आंसर रिमाइंडर में मेरा 0 आना चाहिए। तो ये इक्वल टू 0 लास्ट में लगाना है, भूलना नहीं है। इज इट क्लियर? वाई? जब भी आपको दिया है कि ये फैक्टर है और कांस्टेंट k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, कोई भी कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू डू, फाइंड द जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल, देन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल by making that polynomial equal to 0 and then find the value of constant k. Is it clear? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 2 इंटू वन स्क्वायर प्लस k इंटू एक्स की जगह 1 प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल टू 0 लगाना नहीं भूलना, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे फिर क्या हो जाएगा, देयरफॉर 2 इंटू वन स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस k इंटू 1 विल बी व्हाट, k प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल्स टू 0। So therefore 2 plus k plus root 2 equals to 0. Now friends, I have to find only the value of constant k. तो k is in positive, तो ये दो numbers जो है मैं उस तरफ लेके जाता हूँ, तो what it will be, therefore k will remain as it is on the left side and this 2 I am taking on the right side. तो ये plus 2 will become what, minus 2 and plus root 2 will become what, minus root 2. Is it clear? So what is the value of k over here? Minus 2 minus root 2 is the value of k. We cannot subtract or add further these two because these two are unlike terms. So my value of k will be minus 2 minus root 2. Is it clear, friends? Now moving to the third sum. See, the third sum is also same like p of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Okay, if I make here also x minus 1 is a factor, so therefore 1 will be x minus 1 equals to 0, therefore x equals to what, 1. So 1 will be 0 of a polynomial in you. 1 will be 0 of polynomial in this case also. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैं 1 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा एंड इक्वल टू रिमाइंडर क्या रहेगा, 0. सो k इंटू वन स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1. तो k इंटू वन स्क्वायर इज व्हाट, 1 माइनस रूट 2 इंटू 1 इज व्हाट, रूट 2 प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. What is 1 into k or k into 1 is k minus root 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Now if I take this root 2 over right side, it will become plus root 2. So k will be equal to plus root 2 and plus 1 will go that side, it will become negative, so it will be minus 1. So what will be the value of k? K will be equal to root 2 minus 1. Then in the fourth sum, p of x is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. Again here what I'll take, 1 will be the 0 of a polynomial. Why? Because x plus 1 is also factor of this polynomial. So ये 0 की वैल्यू जो है इसमें x की जगह में सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा, तो k इंटू वन स्क्वायर माइनस 3 इंटू x की जगह 1 प्लस k इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा, 0. Is it clear? Now क्या हो जाएगा, therefore k into 1 is what, 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus k into 1 is k equals to 0. तो ये हो जाएगा k minus 3 plus k equals to 0. Now k plus k ये दोनों like term है, तो 1k plus 1k is what, 2k. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now in this case minus 3 will go to that side and it will become plus 3. So 2k will be equal to plus 3. So k will be equal to what, 3 upon 2. तो यहाँ पे k की वैल्यू क्या आई मेरी, 3 upon 2. So hope this is clear, friends, how to find the value of constant k. Now in the next topic, question number 4. So shall I rub this now? What is question 4? Question 4 says, factorize. Now friends, here you are not mentioned by which method you have to factorize. So any of the method, these are all quadratic polynomials. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है, तो कैसे फैक्टराइज करेंगे? मैं यहाँ पे एक ही मेथड यूज करने वाला हूँ, दैट इज स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. दिस वन मेथड ओनली विल बी यूजिंग इन ईच ऑफ द केसेस. तो यहाँ पे पहला कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 12 एंड लास्ट का 1. सो व्हाट वी डू इन स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म, ये दोनों टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 12 1s आर व्हाट? 12. 12 कैसे फैक्टर्स करो कि आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? -7 आना चाहिए. सो वी नो दैट 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, but if we add these two numbers, 1 plus 12 is what? 13. तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है. दूसरा 12 2 6 12 भी आता है. ठीक है. 2 plus 6 ऐड करो तो क्या होगा? 2 plus 6 is what? 8. एंड 2 minus 6 करो तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 plus 6 is 8. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो भी 4 का डिफरेंस हो सकता है. दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी नॉट पॉसिबल. अच्छा, 3 4s are 12. ये थोड़ा पॉसिबल लग रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज 3 plus 4 7 आ रहा है. ठीक है. बट 3 plus 4 is 7. आई डोंट नीड प्लस 7 एज अ मिडिल टर्म. तो ये दोनों के साइन में चेंज कर देता हूं. -3 into -4 is 12. ओके. और यही दो टर्म को मैं ऐड करूं तो -3 plus -4 is what? -7. So my middle term splitted is what? -3x -4x plus 1 will remain as it is and 12x square will remain as it is. Okay friends, now taking this 2 as a common, what we will do is in a pair we'll take out common from this pair. तो इसमें से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा? 3 will remain common and x will remain common from these two terms. तो 3x कॉमन निकलेगा. 3 into what is 12? 3 into 4 is 12. x into what is x square? x into x is x square. So 4x will remain inside and यहाँ पे पूरा 3x कॉमन निकल गया. तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 1 माइनस. इसमें से कुछ कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा है, बट ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर, जब कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा है तो 1 तो निकलेगा ही निकलेगा. 1 will remain common. When nothing is common, 1 will be common. So inside what it will be? 4x plus 1 की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. वाई माइनस हो जाएगा? बिकॉज अंदर की साइन माइनस है, तो ये -4x बन गया आपका +4x एंड +1 बन जाएगा क्या? बन जाएगा -1. Is it clear? So while making the bracket, remember if there is minus sign outside, then on inside all the signs will get changed. तो ये मेरा एक फैक्टर है. कौन सा फैक्टर है? 4x -1 is my one factor and remaining is 3x -1 is my another factor. So this is how we found out the factors. Okay. Now second sum. What is the second sum? 2x cube plus 7x minus 3. This is my second sum. Now see, in second sum also I multiply this first and the last one, that is -3. So 2 into -3 is what? -6. Now -6 कैसे फैक्टर करो कि आंसर मुझे 7 मिल सके फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है. तो how can I get 7 as an answer of this? How will I? Sorry, my sum is a bit wrong. It is plus sign over here. Sorry friends. So 2 into plus 3. 2 into plus 3 will be what? 6. Now I have to make a find out the factors of 6 in such a way कि वो दो numbers को add करो तो मुझे 7 मिलना चाहिए. तो 6 1s are 6, 1 6s are 6, you know every well. तो 1 6 are 6 होता है एंड यही दो नंबर को मैं ऐड करता हूँ. 1 plus 6 will be what? 7. तो मेरा स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म क्या होगा? यहाँ पे 1x plus 6x हो जाएगा. फिर ये लास्ट टर्म एज इट इज रखेंगे और फर्स्ट टर्म भी प्लस था, यहाँ पे प्लस एज इट इज रख देंगे एंड मेक अ पेयर ऑफ दिस टू. तो इन दोनों में कॉमन x निकलेगा. अंदर क्या रहेगा? 2x plus 1 रहेगा अंदर, प्लस इन दोनों में 3 3 कॉमन रहेगा. 3 1s are and 3 2s are 6. So 3 will be common. तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 3 2s are 6. So 2x प्लस ये 3 कॉमन निकल गया तो अंदर 1 रहेगा. सो 1 फैक्टर इज दिस, दैट इज 2x plus 1 is my one factor and another factor is x plus 3. तो दूसरा फैक्टर है x plus 3. So these are my two factors friends. यहाँ पे ये दो फैक्टर्स मेरे आंसर्स थे, यहाँ पे ये दो फैक्टर्स. This is again remember which method we are doing, splitting the middle term. Okay. Now we move to the next sum. Question number 4, third sum. So third sum of question 4 is 6x square minus 5x. Sorry, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. This is my third sum. Now again splitting the middle term, what we do? Multiply first term and last term, that is 6 into minus 6. I multiply these two terms. What I'll get is minus 36. So I have to take two terms in such a way that I get 5 as a middle term. Okay, so it is very easy. 6 plus 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. If I take 4 into 9 is 36, but I need minus 36, so I have to take one digit as minus. If I take this digit as minus, it will be minus 36. But if I add these two terms, तो 4 plus minus 9 क्या हो जाएगा? What will be? Minus 5. But I need plus 5 as answer. So what I will do is I shift the sign from this to this. So it will be minus 4 into 9 is also minus 36. Okay. So if I add these two terms now, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 4 plus 9 will be what? 5. Plus 5 will be the answer. So इसको splitting करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 4x plus 9x. And last term will be minus 6 and first term will be 6x square. Now इन दोनों को pair बना दो and take out the common from these two terms. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2x will be common, 2 x will common, 2 कितना जो 6, 2 3 is 6, x will remain minus 2x into what is 4x, 2x into 2 is 4x plus इन दोनों में common क्या रहेगा? 3 common रहेगा. 3 into what is 9? 3 into 3 and 3 into 3x is 9x minus, क्योंकि बार प्लस है अंदर की माइनस ही साइन रहेगी, तो 3 into what is 6? 3 into 2 is 6. Now see, this is the same term. So my first factor is 3x minus 2 and second factor is 2x plus 3. So this is my answer. And last sum number 4 is 3x square minus x minus 4. So I multiply again this first term and the last term. So 3 into minus 4 is what? Minus 12. Minus 12 कैसे फैक्टर करोगे? आंसर जो है वो क्या आना चाहिए? Minus 1x. तो यही दो नंबर यदि मैं ले लेता हूँ, if I take this two number only, if I add these two, 3 plus minus 4, I will get minus 1. तो मेरा यही जो है, यही मेरे दो splitting terms होंगे, that is plus 3x, this is plus 3x and minus 4x. So 3x minus 4x is minus 1x. This last term will be minus 4, first term will be 3x square. If I make a pair, so what will be common in this? 3x will remain common, 3 is common, x will remain common. तो अंदर क्या रहेगा ब्रैकेट में? 1x रहेगा प्लस ये 3x बाहर निकल गया, तो पूरा 3x बाहर निकल गया, तो अंदर 1 कॉमन रहेगा. तो माइनस इसमें से व्हाट विल रिमेन कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस? 4 will remain common, so 4 will remain common. And what will left inside? Now see friends, यहाँ पे minus sign है. If I make a bracket, sign will get changed. So this minus will become plus. So first will be plus. So 4 is taken out as common. So what will remain inside? Only x. And यहाँ पे minus की जगह again क्या हो जाएगा? Plus. And 4 is taken out. So 1. So this is my one factor. X plus 1 is common. One factor, and another factor is 3x minus 4. So the answer of this will be x plus 1 into bracket 3x minus 4. This is my answer of fourth question. So hope friends this is clear now how we factorize by splitting the middle term. Now we do the last question of this, question number 5th. So friends, in question number 5th we have to factorize the cubic polynomials. Okay, so this also we will learn. First cubic polynomial is what? X cube minus 2x square, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the first cubic polynomial. So this is very easiest cubic polynomial. We don't have to we can see directly something is taken out as common. So in this if we make the pair of 2 from this first pair, what is common? X square will remain common. So what will be inside? X minus 2, and from this another pair nothing is common, so we'll take 1 as a common. So what will remain inside? As there is minus sign in outside this, so inside the bracket the sign will get changed. So minus x will be plus x and plus 2 will become what? Minus 2. So this is my one factor. ये मेरा एक फैक्टर है x minus 2 और दूसरा फैक्टर है x square minus 1. ओके, ये दूसरा फैक्टर है. Now we know the identity, friends. What were the identities? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. So in this case, x square minus 1 is what? 1 square also I can write it as 1 square also. So in this case, what it will be? X the whole square minus 1 the whole square. So that will be x minus 1 and x plus 1. So these term can be further factorized into two parts. This will remain as it is. X minus 2 will remain as it is. इसका factorization करेंगे तो क्या होगा? X minus 1 और x plus 1. ये दो factors इसके पढ़ेंगे by the identity. What we used over here? Identity of a square minus b square is what? A minus b, a plus b. So these are my three factors of the first sum. Is it clear, friends? Now doing the second sum. So in second sum, we have to factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay. So what can be the factor over here, friends? If I add all the terms, 1 minus 3 is what? If I add all the coefficient a plus b plus c plus d, and if I get answer 0, then which is the factor? X minus 1 is factor. Okay. And if I add odd power coefficients, that is a plus c is equal to b plus d, ये दोनों इक्वल आए तो कौन सा होगा assumption? X plus 1 is a factor. तो यहाँ पे if I add this all the terms, so 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5, so that will be what? Minus 12 minus 17 plus 1, that is minus 16, which is not equal to 0. तो ये पहला वाला तो possible नहीं है, because we are not getting answer equal to 0. So let us assume the second one. तो सेकंड में a का कोएफिशिएंट 1 है एंड c का कोएफिशिएंट -9, तो 1 minus 9 इज इक्वल टू b और d का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? -3 और -5. -3 -5, तो 1 minus 9 is what? 1 minus 9 is what? -8 is equal to -3 -5 is -8. So both are equal. So we can say x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, friends. Now when we found out that x plus 1 is a factor, so what we will do is divide it by x plus 1 by long division method. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 divided by x plus 1. So what should be multiplied with x so that we get x cube? X into x square will get x cube. So x into x square will get what? X cube plus 1 into x square will get plus 1x square. Okay, then we change the signs, तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. minus 3x square minus 1x square will be what? minus 4x square. ये क्या हो जाएगा? minus 4x square. और नीचे क्या carried down होगा? minus 9x. Then see the first term of this and this. X should be multiplied with what to get minus 4x square? X into minus 4x. X into minus 4x. I'll get plus into minus is minus. 4x into x is what? 4x square. So again plus 1 will be multiplied with minus 4x. So plus into minus will be what? Minus. 1 into 4x will be what? 4x. So plus plus. So this will get cancelled. Minus 9 plus 4 will be what? Minus 5x. Minus 9x plus 4x will be minus 5x. And what will be carried down? Minus 5 will be brought down. Now see the first term of this and this. So x into what is minus 5x? Minus 5. So x into minus 5 is what? Minus 5x. Then second term multiplied with this term. So plus into minus will be minus and 1 into 5 is 5. So plus and plus. So this will get cancelled and we will get 0. This 0 indicates that x plus 1 is the exact factor of this polynomial. So by dividing this polynomial by x plus 1 we found another factor. So now we can factorize it easily. So what was p of x? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. तो उसके कौन से दो फैक्टर हुए? एक x plus 1 और दूसरा ये quotient. So first is x plus 1 is a factor. Another is this quotient. Quotient क्या था हमारा? x square minus 4x minus 5. Now further I can factorize this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. तो 1 into minus 5 is what? minus 5. minus 5 के ऐसे फैक्टर करो कि आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? minus 4. तो इसका ऐसा ही हो सकता है 1x minus 5x is minus 4x. ठीक है? and 1 minus 5x is minus 4x. तो ये minus 5 ऐसा ही रहेगा and आगे जो है वो क्या रहेगा? x square. And make the pair of this and x plus 1 will remain as it is. ये फैक्टर ऐसे ही रहेगा, इसके हम splitting the middle term कर रहे हैं. तो x plus 1 will remain as it is. If we split this from this pair, what will be common? So x will remain common. तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? x plus 1 माइनस इस पैर में 5 कॉमन रहेगा, तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? x minus 1. सॉरी, यहाँ पे गलती क्यों हुई? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट करने के बाद माइनस की जगह क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्लस. वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज अ माइनस साइन. अंडरस्टैंड केयरफुली कि ये दोनों हमेशा सेम आते हैं. दिस शुड बी द सेम वन. तो x plus 1 एंड x plus 1 एक फैक्टर हुआ, तो x plus 1, फिर ये x plus 1 दूसरा फैक्टर x plus 1 का, एंड तीसरा फैक्टर, थर्ड फैक्टर इज x minus 5. So we can write x plus 1 2 times. So we can write it as x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 5. So this is my solution of second sum. So hope this is understood, friends. Now we move to the third sum. So third sum, x square x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. In this case, see, if we add all the coefficient, we will not get 0. So x minus 1 cannot be the factor. If we add these coefficients, 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20 will not be equal to 0 because all are in plus sign, positive sign. So x plus 1 can be the factor. A plus b plus c plus d is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay, now we see a plus c is equal to b plus d. What is a? 1 plus 32 equals to 13 plus 20. 1 plus 32 is what? 33. And 13 plus 20 is 33. So this is possible. So therefore x plus 1 is a factor. ये होगा तो x plus 1 factor होगा. So we found that x plus 1 is a factor. So here what we write? X plus 1 is a factor. Now we divide it by long division method. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 divided by x plus 1. So what should be multiplied? See the first term of this and this. x के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें तो x क्यूब आएगा. What will be multiplied with x so that we get x क्यूब? x into x square. एक पावर कम कर दो x क्यूब में से तो x square होगा. तो x into x square is what? x cube. Plus 1 into x square is 1x square. Minus minus. This will get cancelled. 13 minus 1x square क्या हो जाएगा? 12x square. And plus 32x will be brought down. Again now see. This first term and this first term. X into what is 12x square? 12x. So 12x into x will become 12x square. So 12x square. Then second term multiplied with this term. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into 12x is 12x. तो माइनस माइनस ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 32x माइनस 12x तो क्या हो जाएगा? 20x. 32 माइनस 12 इज 20. बीच की साइन कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. फिर ऊपर से क्या कैरी डाउन होगा? 20. नाउ सी दिस फर्स्ट टर्म विद दिस फर्स्ट टर्म. x into what is 20x? x into plus 20 is 20x. So x into plus 20 is 20x. Plus into plus is plus. 1 into 20 is 20. So if we change this sign, this will get cancelled and become 0. तो ये रिमाइंडर 0 है. उसका मतलब ये है कि x plus 1 हमारा फैक्टर है. That is a perfect factor. Now we got two factors. This one factor and this quotient as another factor. So p of x is what? x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. If we factorize this, तो उसको फैक्टराइज करने पर क्या मिलेगा हमें? तो x प्लस 1 एक फैक्टर मिलेगा और दूसरा फैक्टर ये कोशेंट मिलेगा. दैट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x प्लस 20 इज माई अनदर फैक्टर. नाउ x प्लस 1 ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है. दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल एंड वी फैक्टराइज इट फर्दर. कैसे? स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. तो 1 इंटू 20 कैसे फैक्टर करो कि 12 है. तो वी नो दैट 10 इंटू 2 इज 20. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज 10x plus 2x is 12x. And if we multiply this 10 into 2, we get 20. तो plus x square फर्स्ट टर्म को ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं, लास्ट टर्म को 20 को ऐसे ही लिखते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इनकी पैर बना देते हैं. तो आई विल टेक आउट कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस. तो x विल रिमेन कॉमन. अंदर क्या रहेगा? x प्लस 10. इन दोनों में से कॉमन क्या रहेगा? 2. x प्लस 10 विल रिमेन इनसाइड. सो x प्लस 10 एक कॉमन फैक्टर है दोनों में. तो x प्लस 10 एंड तीसरा फैक्टर क्या रहेगा? x प्लस 2. सो व्हाट आर द थ्री फैक्टर्स? x प्लस 1, x प्लस 10 एंड x प्लस 2. सो दिस इज माई आंसर ऑफ दिस factorizations. Then last sum of the exercise. Last sum of the exercise, sum number 4. What is the fourth sum? Now see, in this fourth sum, two y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Okay, this is very easiest sum. इसमें देखे तो यदि हम सीधी दो दो की पैर बने तो ही हमें आंसर मिल जा रहा है यहाँ पे. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज फ्रॉम दिस पैर व्हाट इज कॉमन ओवर हियर? y स्क्वायर इज कॉमन. सो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 2y प्लस 1 माइनस इन दिस पैर व्हाट इज कॉमन? 1. नथिंग इज कॉमन मीन्स 1 इज कॉमन. तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 2y प्लस 1. तो 2y प्लस 1 इज माई वन फैक्टर एंड अनदर फैक्टर इज व्हाट? y square minus 1 is my another factor. So again remember the identity of a square minus b square is what? A minus b and a plus b. Is it clear? A the whole square minus b the whole square. So in this case I write y square minus 1 square. Y the whole square minus 1 the whole square is what? Y minus 1 and y plus 1. सो इसके दो फैक्टर कौन से होंगे? y माइनस 1 एंड y प्लस 1. तो 2y प्लस 1 विल रिमेन एज इट इज. एंड इसके दो फैक्टर है. इसके दो फैक्टर कौन से है? y स्क्वायर माइनस 1 के दो फैक्टर बाय आइडेंटिटी a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. व्हाट आर द टू फैक्टर्स? y माइनस 1 and y plus 1. These are the two factors. So these are the three factors of this polynomial. So, oh friend, this is understood. So with this we end today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you students for watching this video. To view our more videos, please click on like and subscribe button given below. Thank you.